Welcome! Today we are excited to introduce a brand new feature called AI Blog Generator. It helps you create SEO-friendly blogs for your Shopify store in just a few easy clicks. Let us get started. Go to your Shopify dashboard, navigate to the AI Blog Generator menu, and click the Generate Blog Post button. You will see boxes where you can enter the information needed to create your blog. Before you start, please ensure that your blogs are synced. Click the Please Sync Your Blogs button, and all your existing blogs will be synced automatically. Once that process is complete, the AI Blog Generator will be ready to use. First, enter your blog topic. Then, add the target keyword, the word or phrase people usually type in Google to find information about your topic. Next, choose the blog type. After that, select the desired length of your blog. The word count you choose will help the AI decide the appropriate length for the blog. Now, for an important step, select the tone for your blog. Choose the tone that best matches your audience. If you have any specific instructions or ideas, write them in the custom instruction box to guide the AI. If you want to add a feature image for your blog, select Yes and describe the type of image you want. Once you have filled out all the fields, click the Generate Blog button and wait while your blog is being created. After the blog is ready, click Close. You will see the AI-generated blog. Click the blog title to read the full content. If you would like to make changes or try a new version, click Regenerate, update the information, and let the AI create a new draft. When you are satisfied with your blog, click the Edit button to open it in Shopify Admin. There, you may add tags, set visibility, and adjust other details. Click Save to publish blog. That is all. With StoreSEO's AI Blog Generator, creating SEO-friendly blogs for your Shopify store is fast and simple. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel to stay connected.